12Q firing system today. So here's a remote for you. These are connected up to the fireworks using Talon igniters. We'll get into that in a bit. First thing is the batteries. Got a 9-volt in here, and in here we have 4 AA's. Okay. For the price of batteries versus the price of fireworks, replace your AA's for every show. Test with old ones, put brand new ones in when you actually shoot. It'll save you some grief. The other thing is, in really cold weather, -20 and so on, or colder, these batteries won't perform properly if they're very cold. So you've got to keep them warm till it's time to shoot. This system uses these disposable Talon igniters. So at this end, so I'm going to move the wire so I can open up the jaws really wide. It's called a Talon because of these jaws. It's got a little nichrome wire there, see that little dark wire there. And at the other end, of course, it's got got these wires that we're going to hook up to these speaker terminals over there, the red black. So what I like to do is I take this off, and then I separate this a bit so that it gives me more room to work, and then I double this over so it increases the amount of contact I have at the speaker terminal, the red black speaker terminals down there. Okay, so I'll do that. I'm going to go down here then and put it in one side, the other, and I get some good connection. So now when I turn it on, I'll see a yellow light there. I've also previously put one over here in 12, put that in as well, so I got 2 of them. So what that means is I can shoot them off, and we're going to see them glow brightly. So put them up here so you can see. Now that I have the 2 Talons installed, I'll turn this on, and then when I push the button 1, see how bright that goes. Here's 12, how bright that goes, and that'll light your fireworks and shoot them off for you. Okay, have fun. Here's some tips and tricks about how to be successful with your Talon igniters. First off, I pull the wire to the side so I can open it really wide, and you can see that nichrome wire in there. Now I'm going to put it onto the fuse of this firework, and I put it on from the side, being careful not to slide it around. And after that, we will put tape around the Talon itself, and then on the wire in the bottom of the body of the firework so it couldn't get away. So when I take it off, you'll see how it's actually bent the wire there. So these are very fragile. So once you put it on, leave it on, put some tape over, make sure it hooks on. So the second thing is, at this end, what I do is I like to separate these, and so that I've got more room to work with, and then I double those over so I have more contact at the speaker terminal, like that. And that's how you do all that. So then when you put them in your speaker terminal, you get some good connection. So finally, I'm going to show you this firework that we've set up for a show. And you can see here how we've put tape over the Talon. We've hooked it onto the firework. We put tape over the Talon, and then we put more tape, sort of stress relief on this end, so in case it gets pulled. And so you can set up all of that ahead of time, and then when you go out into the field, you just have to hook it up to your firing system.